In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the pupil profile. At the top of the screen on the Tracker tab and on the Initial Assessment tab, you'll see a short pupil profile where you can record the following information: the pupil's name, year group and class, date of entry, other languages spoken, comments in other languages spoken, and previous schooling. In the section on comments on other languages spoken, you might want to include information about literacy and oracy levels in the learner's other languages, especially their first language. You could include information here about whether their first language is age appropriate, for example. Information about previous schooling should help you to have a better idea of the subjects that the learners are more or less familiar with. It can also inform you of the context of their previous schooling, i.e. that they attended classes only with girls, for example. You may also want to write down any qualifications the learner has or was working towards in their previous school. You'll notice that the first time you open the tracker, that the pupil profile on the Tracker tab will display zeros. This is because these text boxes will automatically pull through information from the Initial Assessment pupil profile. For example, if I write here Year 1 and press Enter on the Initial Assessment tab, and then go back to the Tracker tab, I can see that it has automatically filled in Year 1. You may have a separate place where you record pupil profile information, but we would suggest that it is important to record it somewhere. This is the end of the video on the pupil profile.